So I guess I'll do, this is going to be a part 2 video for the backrest. We're not going to install the bottom cushion just yet. And for those that want the same exact color combination the way it was from factory, I'm sure if you send them samples, they could figure it out, get as close as possible. But this is not factory skins. From whatever, I think it was Thomas P. Payne or whatever the brand is that makes the RV material. That's always trash. So if you don't want to buy this, because on these seats we already noticed these skins were replaced before. You've seen the rings that were broken off before, so obviously somebody did some work on them, so I'm thinking to replace the skins. And we had multiple of these RVs that had these skins right here, and they're just the worst. They look nice, but realistically you're terrified to sit on them because, you know, any little movement, if you're wearing something with buttons on the jeans or something's gonna rip them, and it's just gonna ridiculous material. So these are held by Velcro, looks like. Just make sure you, instead of pulling just one side, make sure you're always holding the bottom. That way you're not ripping it off the foam. Because if you rip it off the foam, you're done. You're gonna have a lot of fun with that. Alright, so right now we're gonna remove the little handrest. We're using a Milwaukee, what is this? I think it was M18. Yeah, M18 impact gun. This is the best one. We just used the Makita right here, the brushless Makita, and it wasn't pulling it at all. And it's in the high settings too. Okay, so it's actually T50 Torx screw. So T50, not T45. Keep that in mind. And it's already marked where you have to cut it. So that's the first look of the leather. It looks like it's real leather, like they did say it is. Because the other guys are selling you vinyl. And we all know how vinyl lasts. Because I looked around for these seat skins for like a month or 2 months. Like, there's companies, they charge like insane amount of money, and I doubt they do real leather. So that's why I went with these guys. We're gonna do a leather, if it's real or not, test. And so far it didn't go through it, so it looks like it's real leather. We're gonna do a different test later, but so far it's passing. Just gonna work your way around. If your skins are trash, just cut them. This one is the nicest one. I want to see if we could sell it. But if yours is trash, I think just cut out the razor and just throw it away. Yep, another broken ring clip. Another set of these clips, rings. Three or two more. One issue we found was that they're not labeled left or right, and the difference with the original one is, so this is the passenger side, so this cut is a little bit different shape compared to the opposite side. So we're trying to figure out how to tell which is which. It's kind of difficult. So a trick, when you take the skin, pull the headrest in right away. It gives you a good head start. So put it in like that, and then you start wrapping it on the seat. It will help you. You will see. Just like that. And then you put in the seat and just kind of start working your way down. So it's a helpful tip, otherwise it gets tricky. Okay, so we pulled it through. Now we're gonna put zip ties. Okay, just gonna start working your way down, pulling it down. Just take your time. And these have the Velcro as well, just like the factory ones, so you could easily stick them back on here. Okay, so once you get your way down to this part, now we're gonna put zip ties here, lock them in. And just don't forget to put that little cardboard piece back in. Okay, so we're doing the zip ties again. Okay, so now we're working our way down again. Okay, so same process again. We're running zip ties, poke the holes. Alright, so that was the final step for the zip ties. So now we're just pretty much pulling it down all the way. So now you have to press on them to get those Velcro things to stick. There you go. Now we're gonna cut a hole for the armrest. And it looks like the Velcro got stuck good. Just gonna go through it. So this is the backrest. Looks really nice. I like it. With the heat and the wear on it, it's gonna stretch out. It's gonna be good.